Hey friends, it's Kivia. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be doing a little organization in the kitchen. I did pick up some new mixing bowls. The pot divider organization item that you see, I purchased that from Temu along with the cooking utensils. This is the cabinet where I store all of my pots along with some of the kitchen appliances, and I really wanted to stack my pots up instead of having them sit in the cabinet. This way I do have some pots on the other side, and after I put this together I did like the way that it looks, so I will be purchasing maybe about 2 more for the other side, and I will show you all how it looked after everything is done.
Left of me, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter.
As you can see, I was obsessed with this blue. I still am, but I just wanted to switch some things out. I've been having these items for a while now, and I asked my mom, so I'll be sending these to her because she did say she wanted them.
I only want to fall in love once with an old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde, you can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
I'm not sure if I'll be keeping the utensils on the counter. I really don't like to do that because of the items collecting dust, although I do rinse things off before I use them. But I'll leave them here for now and see how that goes.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end.
Before I let you all go, I did want to show you all this nutcracker that I painted. Some of you may have seen the short that I posted on my page, but I wanted to give you all a close-up. So this was a viral item that I saw on TikTok. Yes, one of those TikTok made me buy it, and I wish I would have just left it in the store. I found this at Walmart, and I was so excited to find it. I was going to Walmart pretty much every other day looking for this, and I just so happened to come across it. But yes, it took so much time to get this painted. My husband stepped in as always to help me out because I was definitely ready to give up on it, but I'm happy with the outcome. And I did get the inspiration from a nutcracker that Sam's Club had a few years ago. It was holding some shopping bags, so I was going for that look, and I definitely wanted to go with the traditional Christmas colors. And as I mentioned, I'm happy with the way that it turned out. I decided to put it in my office since I do have that hunter green in there, and it goes very well. It makes noise as well. For some reason, it stopped making noise, which I'm not mad about because it is very loud. It was singing or something, but yes, so it just lights up now, and I'm fine with that. But yeah, let me know what you all think down in the comments below. And the short that I posted, I'll go ahead and insert that as well so you all can see. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. If you have not caught up on my Christmas Decorate With Me videos, I will have those linked in the description box below. Also, I'll have those pinned in the comments. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.